Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. So I want to share with you the must-do deals for CVS next week. I know it's a little bit delayed. I usually have this on Thursday or Friday. There were just so many hot deals going on. I went to Walgreens a couple times, CVS a couple times, and I didn't even get to post that second CVS haul for you guys either. So busy week, but tons of savings and some money makers, of course, especially at that Walgreens beauty event. If you haven't checked out that video yet, I will link it at the end of this video. It is a great event to go to. There were some issues. The out-of-pocket was higher than it should have been, but we still got tons of points back. And if you do the Walgreens live chat, which I will be doing from now on, so much easier than having to call and wait on hold and in case you get transferred around a couple times. So I would definitely recommend that. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on the video and watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. I will be choosing the winner of my most recent giveaway on Sunday in my CVS haul video. So make sure you stay tuned on the channel for that. If you haven't entered that giveaway yet, it is the last day to do so. I will have that video linked in the description box. So make sure you guys check it out and enter that giveaway. So next week at CVS, we definitely have some great deals. Still a moneymaker deal on Aleve. So I'm definitely excited about that. I didn't get a chance to go back to CVS to grab the Aleve for the current week, but it's still going to be a moneymaker next week. We also have some cheap Pampers to do and some really good pricing on some wet dog or cat food. So make sure you guys stay tuned. First deal I want to share with you guys is the Pampers deal. So it's part of the spend 20, get a $5 extra back. There are a couple other scenarios you guys could do. Of course, I will have a separate scenario that I will be doing in my CVS haul video for you guys tomorrow. If you're looking for some Pampers and you need to stock up on some diapers, it is cheaper at CVS. If you have that diaper CRT, Walgreens next week, it'll be $5.50 per bag, but you have to buy 4 bags. At CVS, what you can do, they're on sale 2 for $20. There is a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. Then if you have a 3 off of 15 baby CRT or diaper CRT, definitely add that in this deal. You'll pay $14, get back a $5 extra back. Final cost is $9 for both bags or just $4.50 each, which is definitely a great price point. Walmart, I believe they charge about $8 a bag, so it's almost half off of Walmart pricing. Palmolive, these are the really small ones, the 10 ounce. They are buy one, get one half off, and buy two, get a $2 extra buck, limit of 1. So what you can do is grab 2 of the Palmolives. They are $1.89. Second one would be 95 cents. You'll pay that out of pocket. There's no coupons or anything you can use. I do have, I think it's like $1 off of 4 of them, but seeing as you're only able to get the $2 extra buck back one time, this way it wound up being a lot cheaper per item. So when you get the $2 back, you'll pay just 84 cents for both or 42 cents each. So definitely a great price point if you want to stock up on some Palmolive dish soap. The Suavitel, Fabuloso, Ajax, and Murphy's Oil are also included. So keep that in mind. Now for the dog food and cat food. I don't usually post a lot of deals on these, but I saw this one and I definitely wanted to switch it up for you guys, especially if you're wanting to add to a basket, if you're doing any donations or anything coming up. So it's on any wet dog or cat food, which is awesome. So what I chose to do is do 10 of the Shiba cat food because there's 2 in 1 pack. So you're in essence getting 20, which is awesome. And they're part of the deal buy 10, get a $3 extra back. So we had buy 5, get 5 coupons from the $5.17 Retail Me Not for a value up to $4.45. So it'll max out the value. You'll pay $7.45, get back a $3 extra buck. Final cost is $4.45 for 10 of them, but remember each one has like 2 different cups in it, so winds up in essence being 20 or just 44 cents each, which is not a bad deal. Speed Stick deodorant is back again. If you haven't had the chance to print those coupons from speedstick.com, definitely check it out. You can print some 50-cent coupons for the men and for the women. So if you want to mix and match or do two of the same, you can. And next week, it is a limit of 3. It says it right here in the ad. These photos I get right from the weekly ad on the app or on CVS.com. So they're 2 for $6, and you're going to get a $3 extra buck when you buy 2. So using 2 of the printable coupons, you'll pay $5, get back a $3 extra buck, making it $2 for both or $1 each. Now, if you have $1 off any deodorant CRT, sometimes when this deal comes around, they'll give out some $1 off of 2 Speed Stick deodorant CRTs. Definitely want to use that. Then you'll pay $4, get back the $3, making it just $1 for both or 50 cents each. Colgate is a great deal at CVS next week. For buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. So the Optic White is included, the Max Fresh, so on and so forth. And they're $3.49. Buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. If you go on Colgate.com, they have different printable coupons for the different varieties. So double check. Sometimes they'll have $1 off coupons for the Optic White or 75-cent coupons off the Colgate Total. Last time I checked, they were only 75 cents. So using 2 of those, you'll pay $5.48, get back a $5 extra buck, making the final cost 48 cents for both or 24 cents each, which is definitely great. Anything under $1, I'd say even anything under like 50 cents each is a good stock up price for toothpaste. Listerine wanted to share this deal with you guys again because that $5 Visa Rewards gift card is still available going all the way through July 13th. So at CVS, it's buy 2, get a $4 extra buck. Remember, when you're doing that gift card, you have to at least buy 1 of the 1-liter bottles or bigger of the mouthwash to get that gift card back. So what I put together, you'd pick up 1 of the 1-liter bottles at $6.29, 1 of the Ready Tabs at $3.99. Total would come to $10.28. You'll use 1 of the $1 off Listerine bottle coupons from the 6-7 Retail Me Not, and the $1 off the Ready Tabs coupon. If you have a 2 off of 6 mouthwash CRT, definitely add that in. You'll pay $6.28, get back a $4 extra buck. Final cost, including that $5 gift card back, is completely free and a $2.72 moneymaker. I still have 2 gift cards that I haven't exchanged, but I was told that you can do them on Amazon as long as your final total is below $5. Or you can use them to like buy a CVS gift card for $5 or anything like that. I just haven't had the chance to do that yet. So this is the moneymaker option for Aleve if you don't have the chance to do it this week. If you didn't get the $4 coupons, you can always still order them online. That's what I did from the couponmarketplace.com. Usually gets to you in like 2 to 3 days, of course, depending on where you live in relation to them. They are in Tampa, Florida. So it is going to be on sale. Spend $20, get a $10 extra buck. But keep in mind, it says any Aleve 40 to 270 count. So you cannot get the 24 count. That will not work towards this total. So the option I put together for you guys is buying 1 of the 100 caps for $11.79 and 1 of the 50 caps for $8.49. Total will come to $20.28. Use 2 of those $4 coupons and a 3 off of 15 pain relief CRT. You'll pay $9.28, get back a $10 extra buck. Final cost is free and a 72-cent moneymaker. So that is everything for the must-do deals going on next week. Tons of great ways to save. I will have a couple other scenarios for the spend $20, get a $5 extra buck deal. I'm going to be including some laundry care. Fingers crossed we continue to get that 3 off of 15 laundry care CRT. That always helps out a ton for additional savings. If you have any questions, make sure you guys drop a comment. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video.